The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Collier County in southwestern Florida until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located over Big Cypress National Preserve, over 20 miles northeast of Chocoloskee, moving north at 30 miles an hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Big Cypress National Preserve. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Collier, Florida,